Today's question is about references and who should be a reference for you. Now, my first point will be get people who will give you a positive reference. I have done a lot of reference checks in my life, and I'm always amazed by people who put references on their list who give them crummy references. Why would you have that person on your list? You shouldn't. So make sure that only people who will give you a positive reference are on your list. So then, who should go to the top of that list? Well, employers are going to prioritize former managers because those people are the ones that will know you best from an employment perspective, how you operate, your work ethic, things like that. So they're going to want those, but sometimes that's very hard to get, or you can't get enough of those people for the number that is required. So in that case, you need to broaden it. So people that you can include would be your peers, either in your department or outside. It could be customers, clients, vendors, suppliers. Those are good, especially if they are well known within the community. You could use a direct report. You could, if you're involved in professional organizations, use people there that you interact with, or in community organizations. So think about anybody that might know you from a professional or work setting and could attest to what you can do. Some people, because of limited work experience, may not have a group of people for references, and so may have to go to more personal references. Those could be people that they have had interactions with. That could include in an academic setting, so teachers, professors, counselors. It could be in a religious setting. It could be family, friends, people that know them and can vouch for them. Less helpful, but again, you have to work with what you have. Now, in terms of references, things to remember. Always get the okay from that person to be a reference. Don't spring it on them. Secondly, if you know that they're likely going to be asked for a reference, call them ahead of time to let them know who might be reaching out to them. Tell them a little bit about the job, the company, and then if you've learned anything that you think is important about that position that they should know so that they can address that in their answer, that is helpful as well. So good luck with your references.